Hello, everyone. No operation succeeds without effective logistics. It is the backbone that ensures everything moves efficiently, on time, and in coordination. I am Jack, serving as a logistics officer. My role is to act as a central coordinator to ensure smooth and uninterrupted operations. In today's session, we will explore an important aspect of logistics that strengthens this coordination and improves overall efficiency. Let's begin. Today we begin with a simple question. What would happen if an e-commerce company's warehouse shut down for just one day? Deliveries would be delayed, customers would become frustrated, and the company's revenue would immediately take a hit. This shows that a warehouse is not just a storage room, but the central engine of the entire business operation. In every business, demand is not stable. Sometimes it is high and sometimes it is low, while production usually runs at a steady pace, so the warehouse acts as a buffer that balances the gap between demand and production. However, in the modern world, companies do not focus only on storage. They measure inventory velocity, which means how quickly goods move off the shelf and convert into revenue, and this reflects an important shift. Earlier success meant how full the warehouse was, but today's success means how fast the warehouse empties. Not every type of warehouse is suitable for every business. For example, a startup benefits more from a public warehouse because it offers flexibility and requires low investment, whereas large companies prefer private warehouses because they provide control and customization, which is why choosing the wrong warehouse can lead to long-term financial loss. Selecting the type alone is not enough because warehouse design is equally important, as it determines how goods move inside the facility, and a simple rule applies here: the more movement there is, the higher the cost, so minimizing travel time is critical. This is where the concept of the golden zone comes in, where high-demand items are placed at waist height to make picking faster and easier. After optimizing movement, the focus shifts to material handling, which determines how goods are physically moved. Manual systems are flexible but slow and prone to errors. Mechanized systems increase speed through tools like forklifts and conveyors, and automated systems eliminate human bottlenecks. But automation is not always the best solution because if inventory changes frequently, automation becomes rigid, which is why modern warehouses use a hybrid approach where humans provide flexibility and machines provide speed. Next comes inventory rotation, where FIFO ensures that the first item in is the first item out, LIFO allows the last item in to be the first out, and FIFO prioritizes expiration dates, which is critical for food and pharmaceutical industries. Once processes become efficient, risk and safety emerge as key concerns because a warehouse is a high-activity environment where even a small accident can temporarily shut down operations, and along with this, shrinkage is a hidden issue caused by theft, damage, and errors that gradually reduces profits, which is why cycle counting is used to regularly check inventory and detect problems early. To summarize, warehouse performance can be measured using three key factors: velocity, accuracy, and flexibility, and in today's e-commerce world, companies are shifting from one large warehouse to multiple smaller warehouses closer to cities because the last mile of delivery is the most expensive and time-consuming part, and when warehouses are closer to customers, delivery becomes faster, costs are reduced, and customer satisfaction improves. Which is why a warehouse should not be seen as a static place but as a dynamic system driven by strategy, design, technology, and speed.